This is Lynk Co's first midsize sedan, Lynk Co 07. If you only look at the headlights and taillights, you might even mistake it as the sedan version of the Lynk Co 08. The designers at Lynk Co haven't taken the easy road though. They give it a fresh look and sticking to the brand's latest language. Lynk Co's design has always been a bit controversial, but love it or hate it, you can't deny its originality. It stands out on the road. The Lynk Co 07 has a strong sporty vibe, with its low salon stance and frameless doors adding to its overall appeal. The slight downside might be the proportion of the front and the rear overhangs. They're a tad long, but it's a front-wheel drive car, so compromises are inevitable. From the EMP badge at the back, you can tell the initial model of the 07 is a plug-in hybrid version. It shares the same powertrain with the 08 EMP, with a 1.5 turbo engine, a 3-speed DHT hybrid gearbox, and a battery-powered motor offering a good balance of power and fuel efficiency, which aligns well with the demands of the Chinese market. So what do you think of the design of this car? Or type of are you most hoping Lynk Co will release next? Let's chat in the comments.